I would like to talk to you about parts of. So there are many different parts of a horse, parts of a flower, parts of a tree, parts of a shoe. There is a lot. So it's likely that you'll often have a parts of activity in your box. So sometimes there's puzzles to accompany it. They can just do the puzzle, or sometimes they like to trace the pieces on a separate piece of paper and make their own image using the pieces, and then they can label them. Again, this is in a 3-part card format, so you're going to have the first card that has the picture and the word. With these, I usually just introduce the vocabulary, and that can be a lesson in itself. So we have the flower, the stamen, the pistil, the corolla, the calyx. I could lay it out, and I could play a bring me game with that. So I could go to my seat across the room and then ask them to bring me, can you please bring me the corolla, please bring me the stamen, and see if they can bring you the correct ones. Sometimes it's helpful if you leave them the picture and you take the ones with the words if you're still learning the vocabulary also. And then there's the second part of this work, which is where they can label it themselves. So if your child is a reader, an emerging reader, then they can lay out the images and try to match the labels with the cards. You would keep the control card, which is the one that has the word and the picture on it, and see if they can do it. And then again, you can give them the control cards at the end to see, so that they can check their own work. So that is what you can do with the 3-part cards. And then you should get some papers of just blank papers so that they can make a book. So they will just color in. So if they're doing the page for the pistil, they're only going to color the pistil just like it is on the card, and then write the word at the end. Once they've done all of the parts, then they can make a book. So that is how they can do parts of.